steering wheel and it's just driving itself around the track. See if there's Whoa. Do you enjoy driving these?
It's not a bad way to spend a day, is it?
Right. Hello everybody, welcome back to JJTV. I hope you're all doing well. I am with Elliot and today we are in the AMG GTR. And it's not going to be a review, but it's going to be a hell of a lot of fun. So let's go. Jesus Christ. It's not going to be like my usual Fiesta ST200 videos.
A little bit more power.
So it might be good for my audience to kind of know a little bit about what you do, Elliot.
Yeah, so I'm one of the sort of pro drivers with Mercedes and AMG. And we kind of have a bit of a varied role really, so we do a lot of professional demonstrations on events like this. Yeah. I do a lot of coaching work. So if people have bought an AMG, anything from an A45 right the way through to the GTR, then they'll get a half-day training program with someone like myself to kind of teach them best practice with the car, how to drive it in the right way, what the systems do, what the performance is like. Yeah. And then we're lucky enough to do all this on crazy stuff.
Jesus Christ. Right, we're on the Millbrook proving ground at the moment, going around the ball. And what speed are we going to be doing? Do you reckon?
It'll be about 165 in the top now.
165 miles per hour. Jesus Christ. This thing is amazing. This is probably the fastest I've ever been in my life, apart from an aeroplane.
It's feeling just starting to sort of hop up there at 160.
Jesus Christ. You get to do this every day, this is ridiculous.
Lucky boy. I had a misspent childhood.
You get to drive the G-Wagons and everything like that as well.
Yeah, so we do a lot of off-roading as well with Mercedes. So the fantastic thing with the brand is the product portfolio is so diverse that we kind of get the opportunity to experience absolutely everything across the range.
So, love to be able to do this every day. So much it puts you back in your seat.
It's the centrifugal forces you find on the bolt really kind of surprise you because you're effectively being pushed down into the concrete.
Yeah.
Because of obviously the way the car is kind of, the speed it's doing and where the forces are.
I remember hearing someone saying that when you go around this ball, it will technically steer itself.
Yeah, so if we back it off, so give it a little cool down, I'll drop it back to 100 mile an hour.
And Elliot's left his hands off the steering wheel and it's just driving itself around the track. It's insane. What speed's that, about 100 miles an hour?
Yeah, so it's 100 mile in lane 5. 100 miles an hour, sorry, and then if we drop down to lane 4, then drop back to 75.
Because of the way that it's sloped, it kind of steers itself.
Yeah, and it's again, it's just those forces just at that speed.
Yeah.
So we just get the air right.
It's awesome. It's weird how physics works.
It's bizarre, isn't it? Absolutely bizarre. So is it kind of what you expected?
Yeah, it's quick, very quick. He got a Civic in lane 5. I'm guessing he's going off the track, so. Oh, I was listening to the sound of that.
That noise never gets old. It's that like overrun.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Roast that BMW i8 for dinner.
Doesn't sound quite as engaging in there.
No, not at all. It's part electric, isn't it?
Yeah, God, yeah, it's all, yeah, the whole thing.
Have you seen the new Tesla Roadster?
Yep.
Have you ever seen it in person? Kind of wanted to.
Keep going, jeez. No, only the images.
I'll tell you what, the 0 to 60 in 1.6 seconds or something. They reckon it will do.
The
0 to
thing that
100
blows
in
my
2.
mind is it's not even the fact that the electric motors and everything will produce
But then again, with a Tesla, you don't get the nice sounds in there.
No, you have to kind of make up your own soundtrack.
Yeah. May as well just put World War II in the display.
Yeah, whereas it sounds like you've got to go on the back when you change down.
Yeah, exactly. What a car. It's the colour which does it for me in this as well. I think it's one of the only cars you can probably get in this colour that pulls it off.
Yeah.
Maybe the A45 as well, but sounds insane. What's this Volvo doing?
Making up his own rules.
Well, what a car. Thank you very much.
No, it's a pleasure, absolute pleasure.
Absolutely insane. It's got all the different modes on this as well, isn't it?
Yes, you've got comfort, sport, sport plus and race. And the kind of big takeaway over and above the sort of power out of the engine is the 9-stage variable traction control.
Yeah.
So you can properly personalise the way the kind of car generates the grip and how it interacts with you.
It's insane.
And the rear wheel steering as well.
There's so many neat features on these.
Yeah.
Don't even know how you undo this, but thank you very much.
Awesome, no, it's a
Great.
pleasure, not at all. Thank you very much indeed.
Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time.